Hello everyone, in this short video we will see the technical difference between football shoes, especially your hard ground shoes and your firm ground shoes. Coming to the football shoes right now, we will see the dry pitch models first, in which our Agility 100 dry pitch shoes model, which has a PU uppercase and a TPU sole. The PU uppercase and the TPU sole provide a real good durability for these shoes. These shoes have a insole made out of foam, which doesn't have a great retention, but it is a very basic foam. And these shoes has been suggested only for beginners right now. The reason being is it has a 27 pattern studs, which provides a really good grip over the surface as well as really good durability. And for beginners, their usage is random as well as the intensity is unpredictable. So in order to be on safer side, we provide these kind of outsole to make sure the grip and the balance or the stability is managed well. Coming to Agility 140 models, in these models the difference between your Agility 100 and 140 will only be the insole. The uppercase as well as the outsole of these shoes are the same as your Agility 100 models. So this insole has a better foam in which a better retention rate is there. So while using for longer duration or a longer period of time, this will be more comfortable than your Agility 100 models. The Agility 500, FG and the MG shoes. In these shoes, the major difference is the outsole of the shoes. Apart from that, the upper casing of these shoes are constructed with synthetic layer. This synthetic layer construction feels like leather, looks like leather, but it is artificial leather, it's not leather. So it's a synthetic casing in which you have paddings in the front as well as you will have a small padding which is supporting your inner layer of the heel part also, which makes it more comfortable. And there is one more padding layer on the tongue part of the shoe. So when you tie the shoelace, this tongue part padding will help you to have a very comfortable lace part overall. So these small paddings help you in better connect with the ball as well as a better ball feel. So there will be a small cushioning layer between the connect of the ball as well as your feet. So that is the usage of this padding layer on the synthetic layer of the shoe. So coming to the sole part, so this is the sole of the FG model and this is the sole of the MG model. So we can clearly see the difference. This FG model sole is completely designed only for your dry pitches, which is your natural grass ground, and this provides more sturdity and stability over the ground for a better grip and for a better agility movement also. But this works well only in natural grass. As if you see the MG ones have a little triangle cone shaped ones, and which has a small hole in the bottom. So these holes will help in terms of heat transfer. If you see any kind of artificial grass shoes, if you use it in any artificial grass turf, the heat transfer towards the shoe will be more. But this reduces the heat transfer. This technology with the cone shaped as well as the holes in the studs will help you to reduce the heat transfer towards your feet. That is one of the major usage for these kind of soles. And the grip. So these grips will really give a multi-directional grip, or these grips will be really working well in terms of twist and turns as well as lateral moves or any kind of multi-directional action. So if you can see the 360 kind of marking grip as well as the small cone shaped grips, which provides a really good versatile over the artificial grass surface. So the Agility 900 model, which has a mesh on the uppercase, the half of the uppercase is covered by mesh, whereas it's synthetic in the 500 models, which reduces the weight of the shoe as well as gives a very good connect between the ball and the feet. So the ball in these mesh patterns, the ball feel is really good. And if you see the sole, it is same of the 500 model, in which it has a 12 pattern studs and it's a TPU ones, which is more durable as well as the sturdity or the stability of these shoes are really good. The insole has pour-on pads. So this is a different foam layer, which is EVA foam, and it has pressure points where you have the heel and your toe will have a pressure point where the retention rate will be high, so that even in long usage or like in multiple usages, you will have very good comfort when you use these kind of insoles. The CLR 900 model, which is our export shoe, is constructed of microfiber upper layer. It's a thin layer which helps in the weight of the shoe also, and the thin layer makes you to experience the ball, means the ball feel is good over the shoe. This shoe has a very good support in terms of insole also, the Poron pad insole, which we find in our Agility 900 shoes, which has the stress points. So these insoles help in retention as well as comfort of the shoes. We have the outsole layer, which is a Pebax material, a mix or a blend of polymer and polyamide, which is not rigid like other shoes, which is very flexible, which helps in your agility movements as well as your twist and turns also. So this shoe is whole a package which weighs between 180 to 190 grams, and it's a perfect shoe for any kind of agile or a speed player. So coming to hard pitch shoes, the construction of hard pitch shoes are same as your dry pitch shoes. When it comes to the uppercase as well as insole, it's the same. The only major difference lies on your outsole of the shoe. We can't use a TPU sole in hard ground surfaces, as the grip will be a problem and it will be a great impact on your knee and ankle because the surface is too hard. So these kind of rubber soles will provide a good cushioning and comfort as well as a good grip on hard surfaces. So for your Agility 100 and Agility 140 model, we have the same construction, but in a 500 model shoe, we have an extra addition, which is your midsole. So the comfort and the cushioning is way better than your Agility 100 and 140 models. So these shoes have a very good padding already, like the same uppercase as well as the same insole, same as your dry pitch shoes, dry pitch 500 shoes. But the best part is about the grip, the pellet grip, small rubber pellets grip, which provides a very good grip, and because of the midsole, it will be a really good cushioning and comfort over a hard surface. So the Agility 900 hard ground shoes, the HG shoes, the Agility 900 model, which is a high ankle model, in which we have the same support of the ankle which we find it in Agility 900 FG shoes. The firm ground also has the same high ankle support, but the material used is completely different. So there we can see a mesh material, which is your 900 models, but in your hard ground shoes we have a synthetic uppercase. It's not a mesh model, it is a synthetic uppercase model. But apart from that, the dual lace technology, which holds the lace part as well as the ankle part well, it's same, which is used in your Agility 900 FG. It's the same technology also which is used in your HG model. And the sole pattern is again made out of rubber, similar to your 500 models of your hard ground shoes. The same sole pattern with multiple pellets, which provides a very good grip in hard ground, and we have the same of your midsole cushioning also in the 900 model shoes. So these shoes are really good in terms of weight as well as balance, and in terms of cushioning also, cushioning and comfort, because of the high ankle support what we have, the hold of the shoes over the feet, over the ankle side as well as over the feet is really good.